Carbon monoxide is an odorless, deadly gas that can be emitted from combustion burning devices. Unfortunately, in my experience and in my practice, I've seen way too many situations involving carbon monoxide exposure and, as a result, carbon monoxide poisoning, which can be deadly. The symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning or exposure are very similar to flu-like symptoms. So individuals that are experiencing these symptoms, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headaches, fatigue, drowsiness, often thinks that they have food poisoning or the flu and they simply lay down, which can be deadly. If you feel that you may have carbon monoxide poisoning, it's important that you immediately seek fresh air and call 911. The fire department, they maintain carbon monoxide detectors and they can detect whether there is carbon monoxide in your home, in your hotel room, in your place of work, wherever you may be. It's important to notify everyone else that you feel that there may be a carbon monoxide exposure and get the authorities involved immediately. Many of the symptoms associated with carbon monoxide poisoning develop over time. So if you simply go to the emergency room after your exposure and you're sent home, there are good chances that you're going to have ongoing new symptoms develop over a matter of days and weeks. So it's important to follow an experienced medical professional, and unfortunately not a lot of doctors have experience handling carbon monoxide exposure and the resulting symptoms. So you need a lawyer that knows the medical community, knows the doctors that know how to identify and treat these symptoms.